G'day guys, how are we? So, in this video, we're going to be working on my WRX. So, this is my Hawkeye WRX, and we are going to be installing... I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. Say hello to the boys.
Hello.
Hello, boys.
We're going to be installing some bucket seats. So, for my birthday, a bunch of my mates, including these guys right here, chipped in and bought me some bucket seats, so thank you guys. So we're going to be installing them into the WRX. So before we go ahead and tell you guys exactly how to do everything, we're going to go ahead and put one of the brackets together, mount it to the seat and everything, and then we'll come back and tell you guys actually how to do it. Because we're going to figure it out ourselves, we don't look like idiots, which we probably already do.
Despite doing it once,
yeah.
still don't know how to do it.
Alright, so we have just gone and mounted up the seat. It's completely done with all the brackets and everything. Now I'm going to
talk you guys through how we assemble the second one.
Yes.
This clip has taken like 5 attempts. Do not judge us. Dyslexia is peak.
I can't really say the correct words, so I'm getting him to say it.
Yeah. So we're going to talk you through how to assemble the second one.
Yes, so let's go do that right now. Alright, so to start installing these rails onto the seats, what you're going to want to do is Fletcher explain.
Alright, so you've got the actual rail itself, you've got the sliders, and then you've got the brackets that mount onto the side of the seat.
So yeah, basically everything just bolts together quite easily.
It's pretty straightforward. But
yeah, it's pretty.
There's no instructions or nothing, so we're kind of just free for rolling at this point.
Yeah, but yeah, it's really easy. So basically, like you said, all you're doing is just to explain a little bit more in depth. Basically, this is what mounts to your car. So you'll get one of these. Well, you have to order one of these. It doesn't actually come with the seats. And this comes specific to your car. And then you've got this little bracket here. This mounts right there. It's going to make sure you have it up the right way. Which to find out if it's up the right way, you've got this little one here that mounts between two of these brackets, which is this right here. So you have one that goes this side and one that goes this side. And then you mount this onto the bracket. And there. So you should be able to pull it up, and then that's the right way up. That's pretty basically how you tell. And then what you want to do is you want to mount this onto the slider, and then you're good. Just mount it to the seat and you're sweet. So we'll show you guys now. I'll probably put it on time lapse or something. And yeah, it should be as simple as that. So as you guys just saw, we've gone and mounted the seats onto the rails, and this one is completely done as well, and looks really, really good. So both the seats are completely done now. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to start, well, Fletcher's already started, and that's taking out the seats that are currently in the car. So I'm just going to skip that part because you guys have all seen that part a million times when I've cleaned the car and everything. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys when the seats are completely out and we're ready to put the new ones in. See you guys then. So after you guys have installed the brackets on, one thing we did forget to show you guys is how to install the seatbelt thing. So basically all we've done is we've just got rid of the bolt that went into the actual seat there, and we've just put it on here. Yes, it does rub against it a bit, but there's no other really way we can find out on kind of like how else to put it on. There is a bracket, but the bracket doesn't really fit. So we're going with this, and it seems to work pretty good. So yeah. Should be good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put just the driver's seat one in first, and see if everything fits. And then from there we'll take out the passenger and do the exact same on the passenger side. So let's go do that right now. I'm going to need one of these. So as you guys just saw, we have gone and completely mounted the bucket seat inside the car. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's actually really, really cool. So it fits really, really nice. Hopefully the sun isn't affecting it too much, but like, it looks sick. Like, it really does look sick. And to sit in it, it's nice and comfortable. It's pretty much the perfect size for me, which is great. And yeah, I love it. It's probably a little tiny wing, a little bit lower than what the seats that are in it currently are. But if you go any lower, you probably wouldn't be able to see over the steering wheel. So it's pretty good, really. But yeah, I love them. And this is what the seats look like before, which is the leather seats. We switched it in another video. And that's what they look like afterwards. I think that it looks 10 times better with those seats there. But yeah, cool. Alright, so I'll see you guys when we have done the passenger side. Alright, so we have gone and mounted the passenger seat now. I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. And that is right here, look at that. It looks sick. I am so happy with it. Both of them together looks awesome. But the only thing with the passenger side is, it is rubbing up against right here, but that is not really a big issue at all. because I basically never have passengers. So yeah, that is also fine. It's basically there just for looks. Nah, but it will be fine as long as people don't constantly move it back and forth. Then it might, I guess, have wear and tear on the panel. But yeah, it looks awesome. I'm extremely happy with it. When you sit in it, it's so nice and snug. Connor, sit in it.
Bro, it holds
Come on,
you
bro.
so well. Time to see if these seats are big boy friendly, I guess.
Big boy friendly, hardly.
Oh!
Yeah, that's sick. Are they comfy?
Dude, so comfy, and it holds you so tight.
Yeah.
The only thing I've got, like, in comparison to my seats, the shoulder bolstering's a bit different.
Yeah.
But good enough to get used to.
Yeah.
Should be right.
Well, yours are reclinables, aren't they?
Yeah,
These
yeah,
are
mine
fixed
aren't
backs,
fixed
so-
backs.
Come on, Daniel.
Sure.
Like them?
I feel like I'm being hugged by a loving mother.
Bro.
No, they're great. They're very comfy. It's going to be great to ride passenger.
Try to take photos outside the windows with the bucket seats.
Trying to take photos out of a bucket seat is going to be difficult, but they're super comfy, super tight.
Yeah. They are sick. I love them, to be honest. So I appreciate if you, well, I mean, I'm guessing most of my mates might watch this, maybe. But if you guys put in money for this, I appreciate that massively. Like I said at the start of the video, was a birthday gift. They are Crank Motorsport, yeah?
Yeah.
Crank Motorsport bucket seats, I'll put them in the description. When you buy the seats though, you'll have to buy your own rails. So if you go onto their, I guess, profile, you'll be able to see your rails based on the car. But yeah, the seats are awesome. Like seriously, I like them. They look sick as well. But yeah, they're sick. I really, really, really do like them. There is one more thing I would like to do, and this is quite satisfying. So on the back of the seats, we have plastic. I do want to pull them off, and I think you guys will like it. Literally the most satisfying thing in the world, except they're not coming off very easily. There we go. That is the most satisfying thing. You ready for number 2? See if this one goes a bit better. There we go. Hell yeah, that looks sick. Even from behind, it looks awesome. Hell yeah. I love it. I seriously do love it. That's so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more content on this beautiful beast, then let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys next video. See you later.